In this Argos support video, we will show you how to maintain your battery-powered lawnmower. These steps will help keep your mower running efficiently and extend its lifespan. Firstly, ensure the mower is turned off. Remove the battery pack and isolator key before carrying out any maintenance. Allow the mower to fully cool down before you begin. Next, clean the base of the mower. Carefully remove any grass clippings, dirt or debris from the underside using a brush or cloth. Now check the cutting blade. Ensure the blade is sharp, securely attached and free from damage. If the blade is worn or damaged, replace it with a new one of the same type. Next, inspect the air vents. Make sure all vents are clear of dust and debris. You can use a soft brush or dry cloth to clean these areas. Now check all visible screws and fittings, including the cutting height mechanism. Ensure they are secure and tightened properly. If any parts appear loose or damaged, address these before using the mower. Next, inspect the wheels. Remove any built-up debris and ensure they rotate freely. Before storing your mower, wipe down all external surfaces with a dry cloth. Store the mower in a clean, dry place, away from moisture and direct sunlight. Carrying out these simple maintenance steps regularly will help ensure reliable performance and prolong the life of your mower. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.